What's up, glitches? You guys watched my video. I saw that. I was very excited. Yes, this is already an outdated model. That's okay. I saw that there was a lot of questions and whatnot in the comments and whatnot about this video, so I'm going to clear up some things. In this video, it was not a clear depiction on how to convert the whole thing. There was missing some details. So this is a little bit of a behind, like before you export, how to prep up Unity. So first thing that I'm going to request that you download is the Unity Hub. This will make it so it's very easy to organize your Unity in a way that, like, when you open it, you can see where everything is. I showed this off in the other video where I was showing on how to create a project and whatnot. In this case, it also allows you to create a new project. And when creating a new project, you can choose which version of Unity that you're using. So with that in mind, what we're going to do is we're going to download Unity 2019.4.31. It's as simple as clicking Unity Editor for Windows, and then saving the setup file. We'll then start downloading onto your computer. You will then open it. I'll say, please wait, and verifying setup is loading. You will say yes, hit next, agree to the license agreement, hit next, install Unity. Next, select your file, your folder location. In my case, it's Program Files, Unity Hub Editor 2019. We'll install C++. You'll remove the old installation if you have an old installation in that location. As you can see, it is doing something, so we'll let it be and do its thing. As you can see, it is done. We can hit finish. Boom. It is installed. Now we can either open it as is, or we can do what I recommend, which is download the Unity Hub. In this case, we click Get Started. We'll download for Windows. If you're on Windows, Linux, Mac, it will be completely different, but it should tell you which version you will have on the website. You then download the Unity Hub. Boom. Unity setup.exe is started downloading in the top right. Click it, open it, hit yes. Unity Terms and Services. You hit I agree. You select the place to install. It is running. Close it because I had it open, so I'll close it. Hit OK. It will then go through, install the program, and you click finish. I'll then open up the Unity Hub. You'll be requested to sign in. If you are not a company such as like a big company that makes more than a certain amount, you can make a standard use license, which is a beginner license. So as long as you're not making above a certain quota, you can use the engine for free. Now, what we will do is we'll create a new project. We will make sure that this project is 2019.4.31F. We will then name the project whatever we would like. So in this case, we'll call it VTube. Oh, I almost went through. VTube for create. Boom. We will then uncheck mark connect to cloud. Create project. You will allow access. And now you have Unity that is open. So next, the very important step that I didn't mention too well in the other video is how to install UNIVRM. For that, you will go to the description of the video, and it will bring you to a specific release. It's all in Japanese, but worry not. The main important thing that we're looking for is Unity 2019.4. If it says 2022, it is not compatible. In that case, I'll be using version 0.99.0. It's an older version. However, it will still work. So what we do is we click download, and it will start downloading the package. If you have the Unity editor open and you're downloading this, you can actually double click this and it will actually install it directly onto your Unity project. You then click import. You will then click accept all. Hit close, and boom, up top here, you should have the UNIVRM. Next, what we will do is we'll create a folder, and we'll name this VTuber. In this folder, we will then create a new folder and call this one. And the idea behind this folder is essentially this is one model. So if you plan on doing an FBX, you'll create an FBX folder. If you need materials, you create a material folder. But in our case, we're just going to re-import a VRM that we have by dragging and dropping. Boom, and there we are. We have our VRM in the project, which means that it was fully integrated for the importing side. So we're going to throw it into our hierarchy like so. Open it up and click on the face. This allows us to zoom in real close without it clipping. Boom. We then click on the avatar itself, VRM, export VRM, and we should be able to export. And as you can see, we can export the VRM as normally with no errors whatsoever. You've done it. If this video was any help whatsoever, please let me know and give it a like. And if you like what you see, please subscribe. I'm new to YouTube in the regards of doing daily content or weekly content. So it would mean a lot yeah, hi. Otherwise, I'll be live on Twitch. You can check the links below. There's everything that you need. Until then, I'll see you soon. Bye.